Why did he punch you in the face?
He came home 2 days straight with makeup on. We're not having that.
If I would have hit that dude, man, I would have broken his mouth. I would have broken his jaw, man.
On December 1st, 2022, deputies were called to a quiet neighborhood after a teenage boy claimed he was beaten unconscious by his own father for wearing makeup. What began as a simple welfare check quickly unraveled into a disturbing domestic violence investigation. The chilling aftermath and the truth behind closed doors was all caught on body cam.
Do you have an ID card, Mr. Bennett? Where did this happen at? And that's where you live at?
I just don't want my mom to know that I came to you guys.
Yeah.
But she might get mad at me for it.
Was she home when she saw this, or what? Everyone lives together? Yeah. Why did he punch you in the face?
Because he found out that I was gay and I was going to think that. For what? First he slapped me. And then he's a pretty big dude.
Yeah, I've known Lomax since we were in school.
Yeah, and then he slapped me. And then he started choking me. And then I think he to the ground.
He choked you?
Mm-hmm.
Like you couldn't breathe?
Yeah, like he choked me for like a little minute though.
How did he do it? Like with
like
his...
this, yeah. And he cause he was on the side of me, so one hand was right here, one hand was like back.
Yeah.
And that's how he was touching me. And that's when he threw me down to the ground. And then that's when he had me over the bed like this, and I was like this. And that's when he slapped me again. And then he said he slapped me, but I think he punched me. He like punched me in the side of the mouth, like I think like this.
Okay.
And then that's how my lip busted.
Got busted? Yeah.
I busted the side of my mouth.
Yes, sir. Can you change the location of this incident? You ready to copy?
Busted that side of my mouth.
Let's see.
You can't. And then I had to come to you guys because they was threatening to take me out of school.
Who was?
My dad. He got one time wanted to remove me from the school, and I was going to be homeschooled. And then before this, the first time Mom found out how to make up is whenever she picked me up from school, and then she was saying she was going to tell my dad, so I ran away. But it was only for a couple minutes until they found me. And she was telling me how if I run away again, how she can take me to a group home.
Nope.
So that's not true?
Nope.
But she was like, I'm going to call the police and they can take care of you.
Nope. It's not true at all, buddy. Because you guys are father and son, it's a domestic issue, okay? So by law and by our general orders, I have to give this to you, okay? So there's all your domestic violence stuff. This is a victim's confidentiality form. This is just simply saying whatever that's contained in this report is going to be confidential, okay? And since you're a juvenile, it's going to be confidential as well. Do you know what time this happened at?
Yeah, it was... Okay, so you know how it takes a while for my mom to come?
Yeah.
So she picked me up. It took a while for me to get home, as usual. And that's when we got into the house, she told me to wipe my face, and then I showed her, and she said it was makeup. So then she told my dad, and my dad got up, and that's when it started.
So it happened in the afternoon, probably like 4 or 5 o'clock. All right.
Your dad work?
Where's he work at?
I don't even know what he was at.
Okay.
It's somewhere way out. I don't know.
What does he do?
I don't know.
No, that's okay.
I know he we're what's that? Fiber? I know fiber.
Like fiberglass? He works in fiberglass?
Yeah, he had fiberglass on his shoes and stuff. So I think he works in
construction.
Yeah.
All right.
Something like that.
Right.
Well, can you elaborate for us? Because is it what was it over?
You didn't tell him?
I told them.
He said you were there. That's why we're wanting to talk to you.
Verify.
He came home 2 days straight with makeup on.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
And we're not having that.
Yes, ma'am.
And we had already talked to him the first time. When he came on the first day with him.
Mm-hmm.
And really I was supposed to come in and let the fire office know, but I don't know if they could do that. I don't want him hanging around the girls.
Yes, ma'am.
But I didn't come in because I didn't know, this was high school. I don't know how far they go with the students.
So Dad and him got into it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yelling, screaming.
Because of that.
Oh, because him wearing makeup.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he's not doing that. This is him right here. I already called and told him.
Did it get to a point where it became physical, or?
Well, Lil Mike pushed him and stuff. His dad
Okay.
pushed him and stuff.
Okay. So from what we're understanding is that it was a little bit more than just pushing. Are you aware? of it?
I mean,
Listen, I'm not trying, Miss LaRonda. I've known you a long time, and
I've known you even longer.
Listen, like I said,
Yeah.
it probably was, but I was not looking at the time.
Yes,
My
ma'am.
light was turned.
I already told him you tried breaking it up.
But when I did turn around,
When you
I
tried,
did.
let me ask you this before you answer that. When you tried to break it
Pick it
up,
up.
did Lomax Senior push you out of the way?
He said, "Nah, LaRonda," and
That's
I
what I'm saying,
said,
so he got you out of the
he,
way.
So-
he didn't push me. He said, "Nah,
He just
LaRonda,"
kinda-
and I, like
Kind of gave you the.
and I said no.
Hey
It's
man,
John and Austin.
hey
I
man,
got to go get our 8-year-old.
I'm all right, Lomax. So
Man,
what,
listen,
what happened Friday at the house?
we just argued. I just got him because he can't bet with me, man.
So what were you arguing over?
Because he came home with makeup on his face.
Okay. Did you guys get into a shoving match?
Man, we ain't get into no something, man.
Like,
Oh, hold on. Let me talk to him. So no hands were put on each other?
Man, I did that, man. That man lying, man. Listen, man, that man wanna do what he wanna do. And I told him, I came to the house and I told him, stop and do what you want to do, because you ain't grown. You ain't grown. You talking back and everything. You ain't grown.
I talked back to the friend and stuff, and now I'm not only no pushing.
So what's happening? Y'all what's happening?
Well, we're still talking to LaRonda. She'll call you back in a minute. At any point did Lomax Jr. show you his lip?
he did say, "Yep," his lip.
Okay.
Yeah.
See where we go? I'm not. Look, he's still your son.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's your boy.
And I still love
And you
him.
love him to death. I love him to death. This
Right.
I'm here
No
to
matter
protect him every
what,
day.
I won't let nothing happen to him.
Right. There could be a possibility that a smack or a punch could have happened to his lip.
I don't even know because I didn't even hear
After
it.
he showed it to you.
Yeah, right. After he
afterwards.
showed me,
Right.
because I didn't even hear it.
Because
if
he couldn't do
did.
it. He couldn't do that himself that quick. Yeah. All right, y'all take off.
Okay, I gotta grab Lamar Gianni. He might.
Anything, you let us know, okay? All right.
Yeah. Sheriff's office, man.
Sheriff's office.
Outside doctors, please.
Is Lomax here? No.
I don't know what they have, but they're not here.
He's not in here? No. Oh, we're good. You know what time he's gonna be home?
He's in Bunnell right now.
He's in Bunnell. You know where in Bunnell? You know where he works at?
I think that's what it's been.
Marathon in Bunnell? That's where he works, or that's where he's at right now?
That's where he's at right now.
Okay. Did she just call him or something?
Yeah, my sister just called her just to make sure where she was at.
Is he coming back this way, or what's he doing? Is he gonna stay down there?
Is y'all gonna ask her, is he gonna stay down there?
Or if he's coming back home?
Or is y'all coming back home? Yeah, they're gonna stay down there for a little bit.
Who's he with? He's with your mom? So they're just gonna hang out at the Marathon in Bunnell. And they have no idea when they're coming back. No? Okay. Well, if they come home, have them call the sheriff's office because we have to talk to them. All right? My son, lying, man. If I would have hit him, man, his whole jaw paw would have been broke, man.
I know.
He's just mad because he can't do nothing in the house because he's very disrespectful to her and my kids, you know what I'm saying? And I come in there and tell him, I'm not shit for you no more. I talk to him. I yelled at him a little bit, though.
Yeah.
And until I I was mad. But he just lying, man. He listen to his friends and shit. He lying, man.
But it's
This is right here.
Alright.
kids do stuff.
Yeah.
Send
We don't know exactly what happened or what.
Yeah, that's
we
what
don't
I'm
even know
asking.
who shooting talked to.
Landon-
Girlfriend.
Landon and Austin,
This is
and
mama.
they told me to call.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right,
So,
so
I'm the
that's-
one who
that-
called for y'all, so
Okay.
you could talk.
Okay.
But
If
Landon.
I would've hit that dude, man, I would've broken his mouth.
I
would've
know.
broke
I
his
know.
jaw, man.
But like I said, you know, it's not our investigation. We were just asked to come and
Yeah.
speak with you. Okay. We do have a charging affidavit for you. All right. That's from tuning, from his investigation. All right, man. So you do have to come with us for that.
So I got a warrant.
Warrant? No, it's a charging affidavit. I believe it was child and domestic battery.
Told you.
So, like I said, that's totally not our investigation. We didn't speak to anybody involved. We were just asked to come locate you. You know what I'm saying?
I got a bond.
Yeah, because we just called.
On the DV by strangulation, I don't think there's a bond for tonight.
Strangulation.
You know, we'll work with you, but we. So, like I said, if you wanna talk to. If you want to talk to tuning, either not right now, obviously, but daytime hours or via cell phone, phone from the jail or whatnot, and give him your side. He said, I don't know. He said he tried to call you, I guess, and it didn't. Deputy tuning.
Ain't nobody try to call.
No, I called. I just called.
Yeah, no, and I think if you're already out on bond, they're gonna revoke that one.
Oh my God, that is so messed up.
We'll give you more details.
Call Ace and let Ace know don't revoke my bond. So I'm gonna go to court first and 10.
When in the morning?
Yeah.
We appreciate it. Like, I'm sorry it had to go down like this.
Sorry, back to Alpha 215.
What's in the packet, boss?
My phone.
Fire to Alpha 215.
I'm not gonna bond on the other charge.
Like I said, on the battery by strangulation, I don't think there's a bond with that one. The child abuse, I don't know. But I mean, if they might revoke your bond, whether it's
Nah, Ace ain't
no. Well, I mean, a judge might if they see that that you're already out on it.
Nothing in the hat or anything, right? Yeah, it's possible, man. I gotta put them in the bag.
According to official reports, the suspect identified in the video as Lomax was investigated for domestic violence after allegedly assaulting his juvenile son over issues related to the teen's sexual orientation and appearance. The victim provided a consistent account to officers, detailing how he was slapped, choked, and punched, resulting in injuries to his face. Though Lomax denied the accusations, physical evidence supported the juvenile's statements. The case was formally documented as a domestic violence incident, and due to the age of the victim, the records were processed under juvenile confidentiality statutes. As of the last update, Lomax had not been arrested, but remains under investigation pending further review and potential charges by the state attorney's office. He is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.